Happy birthday, Pastor Raymond Delfin. Kaya, ewan ko kung nasurpresa ka. I want to read a verse for you, for your birthday, Pastor Mon, and this is God speaking to you in Psalm 139, verses 13 to 15. For you created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well my name was not hidden from you when I was made in the secret place, when I was woven together in the depth of the earth. Ayan. Makita natin si King David na nagsasalita sa ating Panginoon Diyos. Hallelujah, na alam niya that God created him and God knit him together in his mother's womb. And he praised God because he was fearfully and wonderfully made. I believe you are wonderfully made by God. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. Kaya nais ko na matanim talaga sa puso mo yan. Na alam mo na ikaw ay ginawa ng Diyos wonderfully. Kaya yung sabi, yung name mo ay hindi natatago sa Panginoon. At ang sabi rito, I was made in the secret place and I was woven together in the depths of the earth. Ayan, kumbaga sa sa pananahe talagang pinagduktong-duktong talaga ni Lord. Binuo ka ng Panginoon para magkaroon ng Pastor Raymond Delfin na para maging pastor ng Hagunoy at ginawa ka na para maging pagpapala sa maraming tao. Ginawa ka ng Diyos para mapakasawa ni Pastora Amy. Ginawa ka ng Diyos na para maging anak ng mga magulang ng mga anak mo at ngayon ay bilang pastor ng Hagunoy Christian Fellowship. Kaya God wonderfully made you, Pastor Raymond Delfin. I love you. God bless you. Patuloy kang pagpalain ng Panginoon Diyos. Hallelujah. Kaya inahanda ko na yung pasalubong ko para sa pagdating ko ay yun ang para sa birthday mo. Okay, God bless. I love you all, mga taga-Hagunoy. Hallelujah. Praise be the name of the Lord.